The 2025 Lexus LX 600 is here, combining ultimate luxury with power, technology, and capability, making it a flagship SUV designed for modern adventurers worldwide. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus LX 600 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers an impressive 409 horsepower. This powerhorse ensures a smooth yet commanding drive, whether on highways or rugged terrains. At the front, the LX 600 sports Lexus's signature spindle grille, refined for a bolder and more luxurious presence. The headlights are sleek, with triple-beam LED units that not only enhance visibility but also add a sharp, futuristic character to the SUV. The bumper is crafted with a perfect blend of elegance and toughness, giving the vehicle both strength and sophistication. Moving towards the wheels, the LX 600 offers massive alloy designs, available up to 22 inches, giving it a dominating stance and unmatched road presence. The sides are sculpted cleanly, with sharp character lines that reflect light beautifully, while the side glass is large enough to create a feeling of openness for passengers. Around the back, the SUV carries a streamlined design with full-width LED taillights that stretch across, enhancing its premium appeal. The rear bumper is stylish yet practical, and the door handles are finished in chrome, integrating seamlessly into the SUV's luxurious theme. The overall exterior combines modern Lexus aesthetics with a commanding SUV design, making it both sophisticated and intimidating at the same time. Inside, the 2025 Lexus LX 600 is designed to maximize comfort, technology, and space. The dashboard is wide, layered with premium leather and wood finishes, and houses a dual-screen setup that places an upper LCD for navigation and a lower one for climate and media controls. This layout keeps everything intuitive and high-tech. The side doors are padded with soft-touch materials, complete with integrated storage and illuminated trim, making the cabin feel even more inviting. The gear selector is compact yet elegant, perfectly positioned near the start button that activates the SUV with a sense of sophistication. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, multifunctional, and heated, allowing both comfort and control. The front seats are plush, ventilated, and highly adjustable, ensuring a first-class experience for driver and passenger. Moving to the rear, the LX 600 provides captain's chairs or a bench configuration, depending on trim. The seats offer heating, cooling, and massaging options, ensuring maximum comfort. Between the rear seats, a foldable table is available, perfect for business travelers or family use, adding another layer of practicality. Cargo space is generous, with a flat and accessible area that expands when the rear seats are folded down, making it versatile for luggage, groceries, or adventure gear. Every inch of the LX 600's interior reflects Lexus's dedication to comfort, space, and luxury. The 2025 Lexus LX 600 is expected to start around $100,000, with higher trims reaching $130,000 or more depending on options. This pricing reflects its status as a flagship luxury SUV with unmatched off-road and on-road refinement, blending power with premium features. The 2025 Lexus LX 600 delivers ultimate luxury, power, and comfort, making it the perfect choice for drivers who demand excellence and prestige. For more exciting car reviews and automotive content, subscribe to Turboxel, hit the bell icon, and never miss an update again.